Okay. So today we are gonna see instancer. Okay, in NParticle you have instancer. Instancer, this is one of the main effects, which falls under VFX part, wherein crowd simulation. You see a lot of crowd simulations and all is there in the movies. Okay, so those things we can create. So how do we do that? I'll show you. For example, I have to create an. Uh, Let me take a simple work, the 3D model or which we have done with animation. Let's say Maya animation. Okay, last class, we have taken horse, right? Horse animation. Let me take that only. I'm gonna import horse animation. Okay. So we have the horse body here. I just turn off uh, joints, like handles, locators, okay, everything. I'll delete off the emitter. So view, select camera, delete. Okay, we have a horse model here. Okay. So now this is the body. The name of the model is here horse model. It's named as body. Let it be. Let's not change anything. So what I'm gonna do is let me create a plane over here. In the front view, I have added a plane, and this goes back a bit. We have it something like this. Now I'm selecting this model. Go to NParticles here. Emit from the object. There's something called emit from the object. Just click on emit from the object. Okay. So what is happening is now from this particular model, particles are emitting. Okay. So I'll just show you how does it work. So when we, why there is an animation? View, select camera, delete. Okay, great. So if you notice here, from this particular model, particles are emitting. See, it's like omni emitter. Particles are emitting like this. So when I gave emit from the object, from this particular object, wherever vertex point is there, from that particular point, particle will start getting emitting. Now I select this particular particles. Just go to the attribute editor. In the attribute editor, Go to emitter. In emitter, this is omni. Just change this to surface. Select the particle, go to emitter. From omni, emitter type omni to make it surface. So when we do it, so it has surface. Observe here. Particle starts coming out from the object like this. Okay, that too per second 100 particles are coming. Let me have only 10 particles. Okay, now I need some speed. Speed as 4/3. Okay, let it be 4 only, something like. Okay, let me have even more. Add it 7. Okay, now here instead of 10, let me have only 5 particles. Okay, this is fine. Okay, speed I can give even more. Added 10. Okay. So now, now this particle, I want this particle to hit on the surface, ground. Let's say this particle, for time being, I'm gonna change the shape of the particle to sphere so that you can see the particle. Okay.
Yes.
So when the particles are coming out, in the beginning only, at the initial stage only, I want the particle to hit on the surface. Then it should be, you know, on the surface. It should move on the surface. So for that, you need to select this particle. Okay. Then let's apply a field with gravity. Go to fields. I'm going to apply gravity. When I apply gravity, automatically everything falls down like this. Okay, everything is, see, it's jumping and falling down. Now what I'll do, select the particle. Next step, select the particle, shift select the plane, select the particle and the plane. Go to particle, make collide. So I did collide, make collide now. So when the particle hits the surface, it starts bouncing. Why? Because there is a bounciness. Once the object or the surface, when the surface is getting collided with the particle, automatically we get a new option called geo connector. So what I'm gonna do is, in geo connector, resonance is the one which is responsible for the bounciness. I make it 0. Resonance I make it 0. Tessellation factor I made it 1000 because the quality will be good. So now particle hits the surface and it's moving, right? Now what I'll do, wherever the sphere is there, I want this horse over there. Wherever sphere is there, I need horse. Okay. So
Yes.
select the object which you want to make as an instancer. Select the object which is already animated. Select the object. Now go to N particle, instancer option box. Go to instancer option box. Okay. Now okay, let me just select the particle first. Select the particle. Okay, for this particle, I need a instancer, right? Select the particle. Go to N particle, instancer option box. 1 second. Particle instancer, it is not showing. Okay, this is for the particle one. Okay, close. Actually, you need to select the object only. Select the character which animation is happening. Go to instance or option box. Here you need to select the body. Means the object name is body here. Select this body. Come down. For which particle? Now I need this for the particle 2. You can see. Select this. You will get to know. The name of this particle is particle 2. Pick particle 2. Particle 1 is the earlier one which was we created as a fluid from the horse. Select for which particle this object has to be instanced and create. Now observe there are so many horses. Now what I'll do, this is my main horse. These are particle. These are not objects. All this considered as particles. All this. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll select the particle shape instead of sphere. I make this back to point only. Okay. Now I'll go to show curves. Show NURBS curves. I'm gonna select this. Okay. Delete. So here, this particular curve, I'm gonna make it smaller. And here I'll turn on the horse. So I have my horse here. So what we can do is I'm gonna turn off this, keep it in a layer. I'm gonna turn off. Okay. So all the horses are running. See? Okay. This is how you create crowd simulation. Okay. Anyhow, this and all we will not show in the camera. We can hide these things. Means we can place a camera so that means in such a way that those things are not visible. We can have it like that. Okay. And this won't take much size, even file size also. It will not take. Why? Because all these are acting as an instancer only. These are not models. Okay. You cannot edit this model. If you want to do any changes, you have to go back to the model. The main model here is the no, this one. This is the main model. These are just an instancer. That's how in the crowd simulation and all file size you can reduce, and animation part it will be even smoother. To animate, just think, to animate all these horses, it takes a lot of time. It's quite simple now. Just animate one model and just do an instance. Okay, it is quite simple. Okay, like this you can do. Similarly, you create one butterfly, you animate that, and do an instancer. Lot many things can be done. Okay, I'll show another one. on it. Okay, that's how we can create this. Okay, so any doubts are there up to here? Valile, Nino? Okay. Just give me a minute, 1 second.
Okay.
And this is one part. Similarly, let me just create another one. For example, in animation, we have created different type of animation. Let's say, okay, we have a character which has done an animation part. I can't do a scale. Okay. Acha, okay, like this. Show the close up. Maybe like this. Fine, we have a character here. So what I'll do, let me just create few character. I'll go to particle tool. See, I'll go to particle tool. I'll start adding one particle. I'll add one particle here. Okay. I'll add another particle here, one more here, one more here, one more here. Okay. Similarly, I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you might have seen, for example, this Kung Fu movie or Kung Fu trainings and all. Assume there are so many people who are practicing Kung Fu. Okay. So here, there are so many particles here. Like this many particles we have now. Wherever this particle is there, I want this particle to replace with this character. So I'm selecting this character. Okay, I need to select the character for that. I select both the character. Go to n particle instance. So what I do, I select the body. I select this body. Here is different. Okay, select the body and this body, and here for particle shape 1 and create. Great, awesome. Should be created. Okay. So same thing I need to do for the hair part also. Now actually only one character is animating, but with the help of instancer, we created multiple characters. This is what called as crowd simulation. Okay. Now when I play this, all the character does the same action just because of this guy. Okay. And all these are gathering the data from this particular one. Okay. That means when you go to n particles, click on instancer, you observe here instanced object. This is the instanced object. I select this one now, go to n particle. This is the instanced object. You need to select that. And this is the particle which is getting instanced, create. So you got this. Right. It's quite simple and it looks promising. So this also you can use this as your for showreel also. So just create a camera. Once have a camera, just animate this. So many characters. Okay. In most of the movies, in the VFX part, this is how they create. And even for example, if you see army and all, like lot many armies, so many soldiers will be there. How they'll create all those things are CG. Okay. Same thing, I can have it more now. In particle, I can create a particle grid. So I can have a bit of more spacing. Okay. And for example, 1, 2, 3. So many particle I have created here. Okay. So particle spacing, I need to give more. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me create a particle tool again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I can select this characters again, select the model, select him. Okay, I need to select the model. Select the model. Go to n particle instance. Select this guy for particle 2, create. See here. How are these guys standing? It's awesome. They're standing, this is how they create, in the army, in the war scene and all. Okay. So similarly, I select the hair part, go to n particle, go to instance, this, select this and choose particle 2, create. You got the hair system also. Now let's play this. So what even what we can do, we can let these people not do anything. Like that's what another action. These guys can do another action. These guys can do another action. Like that we can create. Okay. So any doubts are there, guys?
Awesome. Clear.
Okay. Create something like this also. Okay. And this definitely you can use for your demo reel. The final output looks complex, but while we work, it is simple only. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So did you understood, Lamini? Any doubts? You're on mute.
No, sir, I understood.
Okay.
Understood the thoughts that I had. Yeah.
Okay. So kindly share the assignments, of the previous sessions. Okay. I think after this means I'll take few more session in dynamics. We have fluids, cloth system, hair system, few constants and all is there, and effects are there. We'll see all that. Then after this, we have few theory session regarding projection mapping and augmented reality. I think once it is done, we'll have you guys can work on showreel first project. Okay. So you guys can have showreel, after that exam. Okay. Or if you want, we let you guys, you can finish off exam, then you can work on showreel part, either ways. So that's the reason, if you have the samples or if you have the some of the best works ready, then I can help you, guys creating showreel. Okay. So keep your works handy. So let's create showreel, good showreel. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Bye. Have a good day.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.